Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable animated cover art in Apple Music in iOS 17. To make your time using Apple Music more entertaining in iOS 17, you can view animated cover artwork while listening to your favorite tunes. Unfortunately, not all of you will like this feature. Maybe you think it's distracting, it could be draining your battery, or even find it bothersome, as it can affect those with the motion sensitivity. So in this video I'll show you how you can disable animated cover art in Apple Music on iPhone. What is animated cover art in Apple Music? To enhance your experience with the Apple Music app on iPhone, Apple introduced animated cover with iOS 14. This cool feature lets you see the album cover artwork in motion. With the iOS 17 update, Apple took this feature up a notch to provide animated cover art in the now playing area of music, so you can see even more of this moving art from your favorite artist and group. This feature is turned on by default, although nifty for some. Animated album art isn't for everyone. So simply let me show you how you can turn this off. You can close the music app and then go to settings, scroll down until you see music app, click on it, and here you will see animated art. Click on it and click on off. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.